Hello students, hope you are doing well. JEE Main 2021 Phase 3 exam is being conducted on July 20, 22, 25 and 27. This is the third attempt of JEE Main for the year 2021 and the previous two attempts were conducted in March and February respectively. With an aim to help the students enhance their last-minute revision for the exam, we have created a detailed comparison of JEE Main 20th July and 24th Feb 2021 exams in this video. The question paper analysis includes multiple aspects such as overall difficulty level, subject-wise difficulty level, topic-wise weightage and other details. So let us begin. Let us look at major highlights of comparison between JEE Main 20th July exam and 24th Feb exam. The overall difficulty level for JEE Main 20th July exam was moderate and for 24th Feb exam it was also moderate. The difficulty level of mathematics for 20th July exam was tough, lengthy and time consuming, while for 24th Feb exam it was easy to moderate. The difficulty level of physics was moderately difficult for 20th July exam while it was easy to moderate for 24th Feb exam. The difficulty level of chemistry for 20th July and 24th Feb both were easy. Total number of easy questions for 20th July shift 1 was 29 and shift 2 was 18, while for 24th Feb shift 1 had 45 easy questions and shift 2 had 34 easy questions. As per the moderate level questions for 20th July shift 1 had 35 moderate questions and shift 2 had 42 moderate questions. For 24th Feb shift 1 had 30 moderate questions and shift 2 had 31 moderate questions. As per the difficult level questions for 20th July, shift 1 had 7 difficult questions and shift 2 had 12 difficult questions. While for 24th Feb exam, shift 1 had 15 difficult questions and shift 2 had 25 difficult questions. That means both easy and difficult questions were more for 24th Feb exam as compared to 20th July exam. Now chapters with maximum weightage in physics for 20th July had mechanics, modern physics and electrodynamics, and for 24th Feb it was electrodynamics, electrostatics and kinematics. The chapters with maximum weightage in chemistry for 20th July exam was organic and inorganic chemistry, and for 24th Feb it was physical chemistry and organic chemistry. The chapters with maximum weightage in mathematics for 20th July was differential calculus, probability, vector and 3D, while for 24th Feb it was calculus from which there were 3 to 4 questions, vector, probability, coordinate geometry and complex number from where it was a total of 2 questions. For more details and topic-wise weightage for each chapter of JEE Main, you can also check the links that we have provided in the video description that will help you throughout. That's all, thank you. We hope that the above analysis helped you in getting idea of JEE Main paper analysis comparison for both 28th July and 24th Feb exam. If you still have any queries, you can ask the same through the provided link. Also, for day-wise comparison of JEE Main February, March and July exams, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.